Hi everyone, I am Aditya Sadhu and today I have some exciting news to share with you all. My visa has been approved and I couldn't have done without the amazing support from CIA. I wanted to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to the entire team at CIAV. From the very beginning, they were there to guide me through every step of the application process. Their exciting and expertise and professionalism made all the differences. They helped me to understand the complex visa requirements and ensure that all my documents were in order and provided timely updates throughout the process. Whenever I have questions and concerns, they were just a call or email away, ready to assist me. Their attention to detail and personalized approach gave me the confidence and peace of mind. They truly cared about my case and worked tirelessly to ensure everything was perfect. Thanks to their dedication and hard work, I can now look forward to start this new chapter of my life. I am incredibly thankful to CIAV and Seshu sir for making these possibilities.